This is the new ClipperGuy Classic Barber Blender. We use it to blend and we use it to reduce bulk. Let's take a look at proper principle and practice for bulk reduction when using a classic barber blender. Whenever we pick up a blender, we pick up a wide tooth comb. When we hold the wide tooth comb up between my head and his head, it has two sides. Not the head, the comb. This is my side of the comb. This is his side of the comb. Blending was to be done on my side of the comb. Bulk reduction is done on his side of the comb. Notice how we do that. We comb the hair, we come in underneath the comb on the client's side of the comb, combing from underneath to take out bulk. Using the wide teeth of the comb to rake through the hair to feel for anywhere we feel thick and heaviness or anywhere we feel some resistance as we comb through. And then we come in underneath the comb to take out that bulk. When we come in underneath the comb, it's important we remember the rule of fifths. You want to imagine any hair on the head is divided into 5 equal parts. So if a hair is 5 inches long, a fifth is an inch. When we apply a blending scissors for bulk reduction in men's hair cutting, we only want to apply the scissors in the 3rd, 4th, or 5th of the hair strand. Mid-strand to end. Stay away from the base or you'll create porcupining, which only creates bulkiness, and we were trying to reduce the bulkiness. So, working on the client's side of the comb, mid-strand to ends for bulk reduction with a ClipperGuy Classic Barber Blender. Get yours, excuse me, get yours today at clipperguy.com, and we're throwing in the Zoot comb as our free gift. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.